Okay, the last 2 days we've been preparing the boat, 3 days preparing the boat for Hurricane Irma, and it's been very difficult because of the heat. Saturday we brought down the sails. We got into the marina early, but we had to wait until 4 o'clock until it cooled down to bring the sails down. It was just too hot. Sunday we got mostly everything done early in the morning. We took down the Dodger and Bimini and the solar panels, and Monday when the store opened, I went and bought ropes, chains, chafe guard, all kinds of stuff. I'll show you how it works. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, it's a little bit of an angle. Here's the chain that you use. These will go around the pylons up front, and I'll show you that in a minute. And I had to buy fire hose, and you take the chain and put it down the fire hose, and you take the chain and put it around the pylon, and the fire hose prevents the lines that you tie to the chain from chafing. And here's the chafing material that you put on the lines to go around the chains. Now these chains are the big ones, and they'll go around the pylons, and the trick of that is to take your lines to the pylon and then drop the chain. The chain will go down, and then you've got some low support. So you've got a line that goes low, and then you got a high one that stays up on top of a cleat. And I'll show you that, and I'll show you what we're doing. What we've been doing. It's Sunday at about 4 o'clock today. We're far from being done, but we've got to be done by Tuesday noon, because this thing, it's gonna, you never know what time it's gonna come. Tuesday night, early Wednesday morning. So I'll show you around what we've done. The wheel is off. I've taken the wheel off, and it'll stay in the cockpit because it doesn't fit in the boat. And here's the dinghy. We got to use the dinghy to get off the boat right now. But when I'm finished, I'm going to put the motor in the cockpit, the fuel tank, and then I'll get off the boat and pull the plug on the dinghy and let it sink right there. If it's full of water, it won't blow around. And so you can see I've tied off. I got 2 lines there. I got 2 lines in the back, and I've got 2 lines going there. And here we go. I'll take it to the side of the boat. So there's a different look at the side of the boat, back, and there's the front. And I'll take you up to the front. All these jerry cans have to go in the cockpit. I don't know if you can see it, and there's the line that goes to the pylon, that goes to the chain that's going down, and there's the line that stays up high. I've got that on both sides. You can see I've got the black line there, runs up to the pylon, and it stays down low with the chain, and then a high line. And I've got 2 anchors out, and 1 line to the pylon in front of me. So a little bit of a spider effect, and I still have things on the deck, the long stuff, my spinnaker pole, and I've got the batten down here. It's long. That's going to go inside all the poles. All this rope here, it's a 100-foot rope. I'm going to tie it somewhere to the front of the boat, and I'm going to go over to that dock right there, and there's a cleat over there, and tie up to there to give me some extra support. And so looking over here at the hills, this is the northeast part of the island. So we'll be protected there unless the eye is right over us. They say the wind will whip down this island, down the the hills pretty quick. And after the hurricane passes, then this is the problem over here. You can see the hills way down there. That's the other side of the lagoon. Now that's only 2 miles away. And they say that there's going to be a surge, maybe 4 feet, but there's possibly could be 10-foot waves. The only thing I'm concerned about are these small boats over here coming off the dock and crashing towards us. I've got these 2 boats and the end of the pier to protect me from the high waves. And then if it comes from the south, we're a little protected over there. And everybody's nervous. This is a big one. This is category 4. And I don't think they've had a category 4 here before. I know for sure they've had a 2. And so 4 is pretty serious. Everybody's worried about this one. We're going to go into the marine store and stay there with 6 other people and play cards, wait for the storm to end, and then come out and we'll see what's left. And all we can do is hope that our boat's still here with no damage. So that's about all for now, and we'll report in during the storm if we've got communication, and after the storm if we've got communication. So bye from St. Martin, and we hope to see you in a couple days.